Hi guys, it's Isabel. We're back here at WorldWideRV. Today I'm going to be showing you guys around a really family-friendly floor plan by Jayco. This is their 265 BHSW. So as per usual, we're going to start on the outside of this unit and then we'll make our way in. So first, this unit is going to be able to be towed by most half-ton trucks because it comes in at just barely 6,100 pounds dry. Another really great thing about this unit is that it's just under 31 feet tip to tail, so you're going to be able to fit into most national parks. Alright guys, here we are inside of the spacious interior of this 265 BHSW. Let me point out some things to you guys. So the first feature I want to point out is going to be your 200 watt solar panel, which is going to be located on the roof. This is going to help maintain your battery that runs this 12 volt fridge. Directly next to your fridge is going to be your kitchen, which has a lot of storage in it. They gave you ample storage underneath the sink as well as next to it. You're also going to have a 3-burner stovetop in here and a double sink. For your bathroom, they gave you a very spacious shower. You got plenty of elbow room to move your arms around, as well as they gave you a skylight up here for some additional headroom. Across from the bathrooms, you're going to have your bunks. Now, these bunks are rated for 600 pounds, so you can comfortably sleep an adult in here, as well as they give you some storage underneath. I also want to mention this nice pantry area that Jayco gave you. Plenty of storage for extra food. This is right next to your 4-person dinette. And if you look out, there's this beautiful big window right there. And above your window is where you can put your TV, which is super convenient because that's going to be right across from your couch. When it comes to your bedroom area, you're going to have a full walk-around queen-size bed in here. They also included not only plugs on both sides, but windows on both sides. And on this side, you have an area where you're able to hang up your clothes. Well, there you guys have it. That was a complete look at this 265 BHSW. We do currently have this unit available here at WorldWideRV, so if you liked it, you should definitely come check it out. We're located on 4660 East Main Street. Hope to see you soon.